Today, we're building a hot compost bay, a simple timber structure designed to hold garden and kitchen waste while allowing airflow and heat to build for faster composting. Start by cutting all your timber to size. You'll need the framing timber for the uprights, decking boards for the sides, back and removable front, and smaller timber pieces for the wire supports and front guides. Next, coat all the timber with raw linseed oil. This helps protect the timber from moisture and weather exposure. Pay extra attention to the cut ends as they absorb the most moisture. Allow the oil to dry before assembly. Now, build the main frame. Fix the decking boards to the 70 by 35 uprights to create the two side panels, spacing the boards evenly and using 2 screws at each fixing point. Then, connect the side panels with decking boards across the back, keeping everything square and level as you go. Once the frame is built, move it into position on well-drained ground. Check that it sits level, then stake the rear corners first. At the front, use longer stakes to keep the opening straight and consistent, so the removable front boards can slide in and out smoothly. Next, install the chicken wire inside the bay. Clamp it in place, keep it taut, and secure it by sandwiching it between the frame and timber strips. Add staple nails along the rails for extra support, then trim off any excess wire. Finish the front by adding trim boards to cover the wire edges and give the bay a neat appearance. Then, create guide channels on both sides of the opening using the smaller timber pieces, checking with an offcut that the removable boards slide freely. Once the front boards are in place, your hot compost bay is ready to use. The open timber sides and chicken wire provide airflow, while the removable front makes it easy to add, turn, and harvest your compost.